Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video guys to any of you having a Hyundai Sonata guys. If you have a Hyundai Sonata, you have engine light on and any of the following guys, 6 codes I'm talking about, code P0136 137 138 139 or 140 141. Stay with us, we will explain what most likely causes that, how to fix it, what tools to use guys, because if you don't you can severely damage the sensor, how to test it, and we'll also include what diagnostic tool we use because you guys constantly ask us in the comment section below, so we decided to include that information. Now let's explain how to do all that. So this should actually work on Hyundai Sonata generation from year 2010 all the way to year 2015 guys. Also let me introduce you quick to the channel. If you guys need to buy any parts, tools, anything like that, we'll share the links in the description of the video below and you can see where we get all that from for a really good price and quick shipping as well. Another thing, every single car we get at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos, and specifically guys on this Hyundai Sonata we'll have more than 300 videos, mechanical videos that will be uploaded on the channel you're watching right now, and we'll have more than 200 electrical videos about diagnostics, fixing electrical components, and that will be posted on our second channel, Electrical Car Repair Live. Check it out guys, everything will be shared so we can guys save you as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel and like the video. So this specifically right here guys, it's a 2013 Hyundai Sonata. Let me explain what we'll be doing first. Let's go ahead and remove that upper engine cover. I thought it was attached but it wasn't. I almost yanked that thing out guys. So this right here is the intake manifold, the plastic part where your engine gets its air and fuel from. On the back side you have the exhaust manifold guys, right here. Now that exhaust manifold, that's where the exhaust gas will come from. You have two sensors, two oxygen sensors. One is known as sensor 1 or upstream oxygen sensor, that one there. The other one is known as downstream oxygen sensor or sensor 2. The purpose of these sensors, that first sensor right here detects how much air and fuel we have in the exhaust manifold, so it can send all that information to the engine computer. From there the engine computer will figure out if you have rich lean fuel mixture and need to do adjustments so we have a nice clean running engine guys. Now what about the other sensor? It's known as a downstream oxygen sensor or sensor 2. It's usually located on the catalytic converter or right after the catalytic converter, and it detects if the catalytic converter is doing its job. So it's super important for the emission standards, meeting emission standards on your Hyundai Sonata. Now before we show you where it's located, let me explain something guys. This computer right here, that's what we use for diagnostics. We'll put the link in the description of the video below. It's amazing guys, it's amazing too. It works on almost any car you can think of. Hyundai is right here. What we like about it, you can access every computer system in your Hyundai. This one has about 17. You can read live data, see live data. You can actually read the lead codes guys for every computer system, which makes it super powerful too. Now we'll go underneath guys, on that exhaust system. So I'm going to lay under this vehicle, so give us just a second so we can get situated, both of us, and show you what we have here. That right here guys, this is the catalytic converter. That's where the sensor is located. What to look for: make sure the wire is not touching the exhaust. There is two clamps that hold it in place. If it comes loose, it can touch the exhaust and it can melt. If it melts, that's the purpose, that's the reason for your codes guys. Always check the connector to make sure it's plugged in all the way as well. We removed it here. Now let's explain which socket we use guys for the removal. If you want to see guys, if you want to see where to get that socket from, we'll put the link in the description of the video below. It's a special socket for the oxygen sensor. It's amazing. It makes your life so much easier guys. You can see how it goes through the sensor. It fits right there. Let's show that again so I can clear the picture because it's a little bit blurred. Perfect. And that right there guys, you use it to remove it. Now most of the times check for melted wires, connector, and if not, it's a bad sensor. We have a special video that explains how to test downstream oxygen sensor on Hyundai Sonata. Check it out. All that will be coming guys. We have a universal video that will apply to almost any car. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.